हाय देयर, वेलकम टू इंग्लिश विद BH1। चलिए हिंदी टू इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस को जानते हैं। ये कौन सी नई बीमारी है? What new ailment is this? What new ailment is this? लगता है वहाँ कोई प्रॉब्लम है। Looks like there is a problem. Looks like there is a problem. मैं तुम्हें ऐसे नहीं देख सकता। I can't see you like this. I can't see you like this. क्या तुम अकेले आए हो? Have you come alone? Have you come alone? मैं 5 लाख रुपये कहाँ से लाऊंगा? Where will I get 5 lakh rupees from? Where will I get 5 lakh rupees from? कितनी बार कहा है मैंने तुमसे? How many times have I told you? How many times have I told you? नहीं, मैंने उसे कभी नहीं देखा है। No, I have never seen him. No, I have never seen him. मैं तुम्हें खतरे में नहीं डाल सकता। I can't put you in danger. I can't put you in danger. ये एक दिन भी नहीं चलेगा। ऐसे क्या हंस रहा है? What is laughing like that? What is laughing like that? किसी को देखा आपने इसे ले जाते हुए? Did you see anyone take it? Did you see anyone take it? वो तुम्हें कभी जीतने नहीं देगा। He will never let you win. He will never let you win. इसमें 6 साल लगे। It took 6 years. It took 6 years. वो मेरे दाईं ओर है। He is to the right of me. He is to the right of me. मुझे तुमसे मिल लेना चाहिए था। I should have met you. I should have met you. मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं कहा। I did not say anything wrong. I did not say anything wrong. ये सबके बस की बात नहीं है। It is not everyone's cup of tea. It's not everyone's cup of tea. तुमने जो किया वो गलत था। What you did was wrong. What you did was wrong. उन्होंने काली टोपी पहनी हुई है। She is wearing a black hat. She is wearing a black hat. तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था। You should not have done it. You shouldn't have done it. तुम सब मुझे याद आओगे। I will miss you all. I will miss you all. क्या मुझे डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए? Should I go to the doctor? Should I go to the doctor? वो घंटों पैदल चलकर आया। He came walking for hours. He came walking for hours. आपको ऐसा कहने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है। You have no right to say that. You have no right to say that. इसके बारे में चिंता मत करो। Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. हर किसी को खुश नहीं किया जा सकता। Everybody can't be pleased. Everybody can't be pleased. मुझे झूठ बोलने की आदत नहीं है। I am not used to telling a lie. I am not used to telling a lie. किसी को बुरा मत बोलो। Don't speak ill to anybody. Don't speak ill to anybody. गुस्सा थूक दो। Take a chill pill. Take a chill pill. तुम किस साल पैदा हुए थे? What year were you born? What year were you born? मैं तुमसे फिर कब मिल सकता हूँ? When can I see you again? When can I see you again? बीता हुआ परसों. The day before yesterday. मतलब जो बीत गया कल है उससे एक दिन पहले. The day before yesterday. ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. It's a big deal for me. It's a big deal for me. अगर बारिश हुई तो वो नहीं आएगा. He will not come if it rains. He will not come if it rains. कार दीवार से टकरा गई. The car hit the wall. The car hit the wall. घंटों तक बारिश होती रही. It rained for hours. It rained for hours. मुझे लगता है कुछ गड़बड़ है. I think something is wrong. I think something is wrong. हम घर क्यों नहीं जाते? Why don't we go home? Why don't we go home? तुमने उसे बुलाया भी नहीं. You did not even invite him. You did not even invite him. तुम्हारा दोस्त कहाँ रहता है? Where does your friend live? Where does your friend live? सब कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where is everyone going? Where is everyone going? उसे क्या हुआ? What happened to that? What happened to that? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा तू बेवकूफ़ बनेगा. At the most you will be fool. At the most you will be fool. उसकी याददाश्त चली गई है. He has lost his memory. He has lost his memory. अगर तुम कैच नहीं कर पाए तो? What if you don't catch it? What if you don't catch it? हमें क्यों नहीं बोलने दिया तुमने? Why did you not let us speak? Why did you not let us speak? वो उसे वहाँ जाने क्यों नहीं देती? Why does she not let him go there? Why does she not let him go there? इसमें 5 दिन लगेंगे. It will take 5 days. It will take 5 days. इसका मतलब मैंने गलती की. That means I made a mistake. That means I made a mistake. मैं तब से यहीं पर हूँ. I have been here since then. I have been here since then. वो घुंघराले बालों वाली लड़की मेरी बहन है. That curly haired girl is my sister. That curly haired girl is my sister. तुम तो छुपे रुस्तम निकले. You turned out to be a dark horse. You turned out to be a dark horse. उसे अपना होमवर्क खत्म करना था. He had to finish his homework. He had to finish his homework. कोई आपका इंतजार कर रहा है. Somebody is waiting for you. Somebody is waiting for you. परसों. The day after tomorrow. मतलब आने वाला परसों. The day after tomorrow. आप बेवजह यहाँ बैठे हैं. You are unnecessarily sitting here. You are unnecessarily sitting here. मैंने आपसे कभी कुछ नहीं कहा. I never said anything to you. I never said anything to you. तुम्हें हुआ क्या है विशाल? What's wrong with you विशाल? What's wrong with you विशाल? तुम वापस कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? गलतियां करने से मत डरो. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. तुम थके हुए हो, मैं भी थका हुआ हूं. You are tired, so am I. You are tired, so am I. आपने उसे आखिरी बार कब देखा? When did you last see him? When did you last see him? तुम घर कब पहुंचोगे? When will you arrive home? When will you arrive home? क्या मैं आपके लिए कुछ कर सकता हूं? Can I do something for you? Can I do something for you? आप सब्जियां क्यों नहीं खाते? Why don't you eat vegetables? Why don't you eat vegetables? तुम सब इतने दिनों से कहाँ थे? Where were you all these days? Where were you all these days? आपको ये कहाँ से मिला? Where did you get this from? Where did you get this from? तुमने मुझ पर एहसान किया है. You have done a favor on me. You have done a favor on me. पहले अपने हाथ धो लो. Wash your hands first. Wash your hands first. तुमने ये शर्ट कहाँ खरीदी? Where did you buy this shirt? Where did you buy this shirt? अगले हफ्ते तुम कब फ्री हो? When are you free next week? When are you free next week? तुम नहीं जानते कि मैं कौन हूं. You don't know who I am. You don't know who I am. आप फुटबॉल में कब आए? मतलब कब से खेलना शुरू किए? When did you get into football? When did you get into football? तुम आज खाली कब रहोगे? When will you be free today? When will you be free today? आप जो कुछ कहते हैं वो सही है. Everything you say is correct. Everything you say is correct. यदि वो कड़ी मेहनत करेगा तो सफल होगा. If he tries hard, he will succeed. If he tries hard, he will succeed. तो मैं क्या करूं? So what should I do? So what should I do? मेरे पापा मुझे आने नहीं देते. My father doesn't let me come. My father does not let me come. वो जाने वाला पहला व्यक्ति था. He was the first one to go. He was the first one to go.